We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this short and simple video I will explain how you can find clean music on Apple Music. So the Apple Music always marks the explicit content as such. So for example, if I'll open my library, I have this song that has this E icon in front of it, which obviously stands for explicit. So if you see the song that has this E indicator in front of it, that means that that's not a clean song. That's the song that contains explicit lyrics. So on the contrary, every song that doesn't have this E sign is clean. So you can listen to it safely with your kids or just underage teenagers, whatever. And well, those songs that do not have the E or explicit icon in front of them are indeed clean. Or you can even restrict explicit songs from appearing by going into settings, music, or excuse me, not here, settings, screen time, content and privacy restrictions. Enable this option here, go into content restrictions, music, podcasts, news, fitness, and switch it to clean, which will block and filter out all the explicit songs. So if you'll do this few steps, or those few steps rather, you will make it so that your Apple Music will be constructed of only clean songs. So I hope I've explained it comprehensively enough. So should you have any further questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below this video. As for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.